It's Friday, and you know why I'm excited, because it's Celebration Day, and I love celebrating all the fantastic things we do here at Newlands Primary School. There have been lots of things that have been done this week. First off, we have Transition Week this week and next week. Many of you already received a phone call from your new class teacher, and you have been doing lots of lessons with your new teacher from the YouTube and transition packs. Well done. The teachers are saying that they're really enjoying the chats they're having with you and your parents and carers, and how polite you all have been. And I'm really proud and pleased to hear that. Then we had that this week is our virtual sports day week. Wow. You've been doing things and sending them off to Miss Clayton, and Miss Clayton is going to be creating a celebration video for our sports week just for that. And we're really proud and pleased to see what that might be about. And then on top of that, it was Art Week, and we started it out by a celebration of all of our art we've done across the year. But then we also have our art packets that have been provided for you at the entrance of school, and each family gets one that has lots of art supplies in it. If you haven't received yours yet, come by school front entrance where you get your work packets, and you can, as a family, get one of the boxes there, and you will be able to do lots of fantastic artwork. It's an amazing pack, and you need to use it. And we've had several children who have done that for Art Week. Here is some of their amazing work. As always, so super proud of all the children and showing the creativity with their various types of artwork. Now, today is the last day of this school year that we'll be giving out our Going for Gold Awards and our Year of Respect Awards. Next week is something big and special. So we'll go ahead and start. You know what we have. time to give out Going for Gold awards. Now remember, you are in new classes now, so most of the awards are being given by your new teachers and your new class names. So the first one is Oxford class, and the first one goes to Lexi for working hard on her home learning and not giving up. Well done, Lexi. Then in Cambridge class, we have Cooper for his perseverance with his art transition task. Excellent, Cooper. Pleased to see that. Then in Edinburgh 1, we have Noah for writing the teacher an informative letter about himself and completing the home learning task brilliantly. Oh, that's a good way to impress your new teacher. In Edinburgh 2, we have Joshua for keeping up with his home learning. Well done, Joshua. In Cardiff class, we have Sienna. Sienna gets this award for doing lots of fantastic work. In Liverpool, we have Maria, and this is for her super work all about me, including fantastic drawing of herself. In Nottingham class, we have Hubert for his super all about me work. Well done. In Hull class, we have all the new Hull class who came on the phone with Miss Jackson to say hello this week. Well done, Hull class. In York class, we have Philip for all of his hard work in completing his transition activities. Excellent. In Leeds, we have Teddy for his goodbye video to Miss Brennan and Miss Garrett. They're wishing him lots of luck and are going to miss his smiling face. In Chester class, we have Addison for his amazing progress in reading. Well done, Addison. That's fantastic work by all of our children at Newlands. They need a big round of applause. So now it's time for Year of Respect. In Oxford class, we have Ollie for always showing excellent manners in childcare. Well done, Ollie. In Cambridge class, it's to all of the Year 4 children from this year who are going into Year 5 for their beautiful manners when speaking to Miss Housecroft on the phone this week. And then we have on top of that, Maruna, who is a Year 6 child this year. Miss Housecroft wants to give her an award for her lovely, thoughtful message to Miss Housecroft. In Edinburgh 1, we have Harry, and this is for taking on board advice by his previous teacher around handwriting and perseverance in writing a beautifully and neatly and informative letter about himself. Well done. I like hearing about that, Harry. In Edinburgh 2, we have George. Now, George gets this for persevering with his learning even when it's tricky. Well done, George. In Cardiff class, we have Avie May. Avie May gets this for her persevering with her home learning and showing her passion for history and things she enjoys. In Nottingham, we have Corey for confidently talking to Miss Creaser on the phone this week. Well done. In Hull class, we have Samuel. This is because Samuel has been waiting patiently for his dragon egg to hatch. Oh my, Samuel. In York class, we have Anna. This is for respecting the environment whilst playing in the park. And in Leeds class, we have Flynn. He has done a wide range of activities during lockdown and he listens to the grown-ups' instructions. Well done to all these children. They need a big thumbs up. Excellent. So, this is the end of a fantastic week at Newlands, and we have only one more week left before it is officially summer holidays. And it has been a bit of an odd time recently, but we're all so proud of all of you, and we wish you a really nice weekend. Have a good one, okay? Bye.